कि कौन कहता है जनाब कि लड़कों की ज़िंदगी में कोई गम नहीं होता। कि कौन कहता है जनाब कि लड़कों की ज़िंदगी में कोई गम नहीं होता। उन्हें अपना घर छोड़कर कहीं दूर कमाना पड़ता है, कि उन्हें अपना घर छोड़कर कहीं दूर कमाना पड़ता है। अरे उनसे जाकर पूछिए जिन्हें अपने घर की जिम्मेदारियां उठाना पड़ता है।
So life is not easy. जिंदगी आसान नहीं होती, इसे आसान बनाया जाता है कुछ सब्र करके, कुछ बर्दाश्त करके और बहुत कुछ नजरअंदाज करके. So just ignore it.
So hi everyone. So first have a very enthusiastic full morning to one and all. As you know, I myself Umesh standing before you from Adroit Academy. So as we all know that today it's Sunday, that's why we have gathered here for a special speech competition. So today I will call one by one to all of you and you have to come here and speak whatever you have prepared. So before calling my first speaker, I want to say something. You know, good, better, best. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better than your better is best. So first, let's welcome on the stage to one and only Miss Najis Fatma. So please let's give warm welcome to Miss Najis.
कि कौन कहता है जनाब कि लड़कों की ज़िंदगी में कोई गम नहीं होता। कि कौन कहता है जनाब कि लड़कों की ज़िंदगी में कोई गम नहीं होता। उन्हें अपना घर छोड़कर कहीं दूर कमाना पड़ता है, कि उन्हें अपना घर छोड़कर कहीं दूर कमाना पड़ता है। अरे उनसे जाकर पूछिए जिन्हें अपने घर की जिम्मेदारियां उठाना पड़ता है। So the first of all, very good morning everyone. As you know that myself Najis Fatma, I am from Budai. I study in 8th class and as well as I am learning spoken English in Adroit Academy by Rohit sir. Today is my topic, my sweet house. Do you know friends, my house is very beautiful house because I like my house, and as well as my house is very important in my life because without house everyone will leave, and so that's why house is very important because everyone live in house and home protect us from and head, cold, rain and will and one. So that's why house is very important in life, and there is no beautiful place like house. House is the most beautiful and house is the most beautiful in the world, and house is the place where we live, and whether the house is and small or big, everyone loves in house, and my house is very beautiful because it was built by my grandfather, and everyone lives with great and loves in my house, and my house is the best and safe place for me because where I live in very happy. So I like most waste time at my home, so that's why I think my house is very beautiful, and my house is very superb, and my house is very amazing. So that's why my house is very important in my life. In the last of my speech, I want to share and say, please listen me everyone, and कि जनाब घर के बड़े अब सर झुका कर चलने लगे, कि घर के बड़े अब सर झुका कर चलने जब एक घर में 2 चूल्हे जलने लगे। कि घर के बड़े सर झुका कर चलने लगे जब एक घर में 2 चूल्हे जलने लगे, और वो सोचने लगे कि मेरी परवरिश में कौन सी कमी रह गई थी। कि वो सोचने लगे कि मेरी परवरिश में कौन सी कमी रह गई थी। अरे मैंने तो प्यार भरा घर बनाए थे तो गलियाँ बदलने लगे। तो जो हो गया उसे सोचा मत करो, कि जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, और जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते। कि जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते, और सफलता उन्हीं को मिलती है जो अपने हालातों और कामयाबों से रोया नहीं करते।
Okay, so now next I love to call none other one and only Miss Aliza. So please let's give warm welcome to Miss Aliza.
Good morning everyone, and my honorable judges and our chairperson and all my friends. I am Aliza from NP Bhadoi. Today I am going to tell about blame. You know guys, when someone blame you, you have feel heavy load, very heavy load. It's common. When you talk about it, the unpleasant feeling is spread to all around you. At that time, wake up and see that you are being and nothing can touch. This is all just a drama which you have created. You have gone through this over and over again. all the blames you see in your life are created your own creation. So knowing this, you will feel free and like. When someone blames you directly or indirectly, what do? Do you register it in mind and get emotionally upset? Do you dismiss it altogether without taking a lesson from it? Do you talk about it people without and wasting everyone's time? Do you pity yourself and blame your shortcomings? Do you blame of other person? Do you get generalize and realize the problem? What do? I think you do this. Am I right? Yes, I am right, because I know it's happened and it will happen. And why I'm saying this happened? Because it's happened also with me. It's happened also with me. It's very common things. It's happened when someone blames you. You will upset. It's happened, but it's happened with me. I was, not I am. I was like this in my past. I was like this at that time. On this time in my present, I am not like this. I am not like this, and which I am today in front of you. I am telling about this. And what I am, who I am, how I am, I know very well. And my God, my Allah, and it's enough for me. When someone put blame on me, then I never get destroyed by it, and let it destroy by my mood. I ignore it. I totally ignore it. Like Modi ji ignore it, Rahul Gandhi ignore it, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Katrina Kaif, Aishwarya Rai ignore it. And there are many people who ignore it. And not only many people, there are very big person, there are very famous person who ignore it. So why are you not? Why are you not? Just ignore it, guys. Just ignore it. Just keep these in your mind that people will say you, people will blame you, but after then they will forget you. They will forget it in their life. So why you keep this in your mind? Why you not forget it? Just forget it and remember this, that it's you, only you who will decide it, that you get affected by this or not. Let them misunderstand you, let them judge you, let them gossip about you. Their opinion is not your problem. No matter what they say, what they do. And don't you dare thought your things and your ideas for your truth. Just keep shining like you do. Laugh at it and not even take notice. Treat it as not even, and treat opinion and accusation as passing clouds, and more of an entertainment. Remain certain and calm, and don't like this your wisdom and grow. I just want to say that, guys, if someone blame you, that you never get emotional, never take a heart, because I just want to say here a shairi which I heard by my sir. It's very awesome. That is, कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है यहाँ हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई, कि कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है यहाँ हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। तू है कौन, तेरा नाम है क्या, यहाँ तो सीता भी बदनाम हुई। तो फिर क्यों संसार की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना, क्यों संसार की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना। अरे कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना। So guys, just ignore this. And here I want to say, I also want to say this, that not only Sita, in our religion, Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala also blame you. And so I want to say that so famous people, so very big people of blame you. So what are you? So just forget it, just ignore it, because life is not easy, my friend. Life is not easy. जिंदगी आसान नहीं होती, इसे आसान बनाया जाता है कुछ सब्र करके, कुछ बर्दाश्त करके और बहुत कुछ नजरअंदाज करके. So just ignore it. That's all about my speech. Thank you so much.